This is the KitchenAid mixer, and it comes with 3 attachments. You got this attachment down whisk, and then you got this attachment and this attachment. And it comes with the bowl. Now that bowl will spin off there, and you can unlock it, and it locks right back into place. To turn it on, you just flip this right here, and it's a pretty fast little mixer. I like it. And the high speed is super fast. Now this top will just stand right up so you can get your mixing bowl out when you're done. These attachments, they just pop right off, and you can swap out a different attachment pretty easy. They lock into place right there. You just put it on there and twist it. Now you can add attachments to this by unscrewing this little lever, and this will come out, this little cap, and you can plug attachments into that. This is one of the best mixers you could buy on Amazon. It is totally worth every penny you pay. This thing is super powerful, and it is heavy duty. This thing is so heavy, it's got to weigh 30 pounds. Awesome machine. Definitely worth every penny.